everyone, it's A here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Myanmar garlic noodles. Now, these garlic noodles are a fast food or a street food in Myanmar. Siracha Hot Sauce. Siracha means cooked oil, and the oil is cooked with garlic, so it's garlic oil. And then Hot Sauce means noodles, so the literal translation would be Myanmar garlic noodles. The ingredients are really simple. Let me show you what we're going to be using. We have some egg noodles right here, and the one that I'm going to be using is something that you can get almost everywhere. It's the noodles from the ramen noodle pack. And the reason why I'm using that is because it's easy to boil, and then the texture is really soft and just melts in your mouth, and that's the consistency that we want. You can use any kind of egg noodles, but let's go with this because it's going to be easy to make. And then for the oil, we need a cup of olive oil, and then we need 1 clove of garlic. And I'm going to show you how to prep it and make the garlic oil. We need 1 form of protein as well. So today we're going to be using chicken. I have a pound of ground chicken right here, and we're going to season it lightly with oyster sauce, some soy sauce. Let's make the condiment first. So I have here baby cucumbers, 1 shallot, and a lime. I'm going to cut the baby cucumbers into small rounds. Cut the shallots into small rounds as well. And we're going to squeeze about half a lime into it. And I'm going to put this aside for a moment and let it sit in the fridge until we are ready to serve. The next thing, let's prepare the garlic. So I have 1 clove of garlic. We're going to want to peel it and then mince it very thinly. The easiest way to peel a garlic is basically to smash it. So let me show you how it works. Smash it like that. Big cloves are a little bit hard to smash. So all the garlic is peeled, so now we want to mince it. First of all, just chop it thinly. You want to cross cut it. You might be wondering why we can't use a garlic grater. We can, but the texture I want is like small little finely minced, so we gotta take some time to mince it. Just want to take your knife and just go like that. Now you might be wondering, can I not use chopped up or minced garlic? Since we're going to fry it in the oil, we want to make sure that our garlic is like completely dry. And the fresh garlic is the best one to use. Now, if you can see, it's really finely minced here, and that's the consistency that we want. So let's put that aside for now. The next thing we want to prep is the chicken. What I want to do is season the chicken a little bit. This is a pound of chicken. Add a little bit of pepper. Add a little bit of ginger powder. Add a little bit of oyster sauce. And I want to add a little bit of soy sauce. The soy sauce I'm using is my favorite soy sauce. That's from Maggi. And I just feel that this soy sauce has a mellow flavor. So I'm gonna just add a few drops of it. So let's mix it up a little bit. That should be good. We need to cook the oil, we need to cook the chicken, and we need to boil the noodles, and after that we can assemble. So I have my pot here. I'm using a little bit of a deeper pot because I'm gonna make garlic oil. I have a cup of olive oil here. I'm gonna put that into the pan. And I'm gonna turn on the heat to medium heat. So let's give it like about a minute or two for the oil to heat up. The oil is heating up, and let me test whether the oil is ready by dropping a little piece of garlic into it. Yep, obviously the oil is ready. What I'm gonna do is turn off the heat, and then I'm gonna drop in my garlic. Now, since we chopped it really finely, the garlic won't take that long to cook. So since the oil is hot and the garlic's gonna continue to cook, I'm gonna remove it from that hot place. I'm gonna put it aside right here. And you know what? Keep on stirring. The garlic's gonna continue to cook until it's golden. Let me bring it closer. Can you see? Garlic's starting to become golden. And if you just let it sit in that oil, it continues to crisp up and then it continues to cook. I'm gonna transfer it into a bowl. I'm gonna use the same pot to cook the chicken. Turn the stove back on to about medium. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. And I'm gonna drop the chicken and then cook it until it's all nice and cooked and browned up. So since we're cooking it in the same pot that the garlic oil was in, you're gonna have some garlic infused flavors here as well. There's some water that came out from the chicken, so we just wanted to let the water boil off. The water has all boiled up, so I'm going to turn off the heat and put it aside. Here I have my pot of water, so I'm going to turn it on high heat so we can boil the noodles. Okay, the water is boiling, and let's drop in the noodles. 2 ramen noodles here. I'll just drop it in, and then I'm going to cook it so that it's al dente. These noodles don't take that long to cook. It's about a couple of minutes, but we're gonna keep an eye on it. Perfect consistency. I'm gonna turn off the heat and let's drain the noodles. We're gonna make sure all the water is drained, and I'm gonna drop it into the bowl. Now, in this bowl, what I'm gonna do is add the garlic oil and then the soy sauce. So we're gonna do equal parts. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, and you can get some garlic pieces in. And I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here's 1. Here's 2. And to that, I'm gonna also add some green scallions so that it cooks with the heat. What we wanna do is like mix it in using a fork. You also wanna add a little bit of pepper. And stir it, and then give it a little taste.
just to see if it's just the perfect taste. Now you also want to taste the chicken as well, because we don't want to make it so salty. Perfect. So to this, we're going to also add about a spoon or two of minced chicken. Let's just do 3, maybe 4. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like, and then give it a stir. So that everything is all mixed in. It's basically a really simple dish. And that is basically it. This is your garlic noodles. Let's give it a little taste. Let's see if it needs additional seasoning or not. It is perfect, it is delicious, and it tastes exactly like how I remember the Myanmar garlic noodle street food. I'm gonna add a little bit more chicken to it. You want to add a little bit more scallions on top. And from the garlic oil, you just want to pick up a little bit of garlic pieces, like so. Look at how the beautiful garlic pieces are, and you just want to top it. Now, I know not everybody loves garlic, so you can put as much as you like or as little as you like.
So here is the garlic noodles plated for you.
And this is served with the cucumbers and onions that we did earlier. Now, for those who like spicy, we can put in a side of, serve it with a side of Siracha sauce. I have here a side of clear broth, and it's just clear chicken broth. And to it, you would add a little bit of scallions, spring onions, and a little bit of pepper. And there you have it. This is the Myanmar garlic noodles. It's a street food, it's a fast food, and it's also a comfort food.
If you liked this episode, give me a thumbs up and comment below where you're tuning in from. And if you try this recipe at home, let me know how it turns out for you. And finally, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button below, and then also click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time a new episode is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.